Number 1, the equivalent fractions 2 3 over 5. It will be what? We can find the equivalent by product by 2 numerator and numerator, or product by 3, product by 5 in numbers. If we product by 4, 3 times 4 equal 12 and 4 times 5 equal 20. Then the result will be letter D, by product by 4 numerator and numerator. Question number 2. The y coordinate in the order pair 8 and 5, we called it y coordinate here, it will be 5. 5, okay, choose letter A. Question number 3. Force divided by 2. We can solve it, write force and convert from division to multiplication, write reciprocal of 2, it will be 1 over 2, and then product 1 times 1 equal 1, 2 times 4 equal 8, then the result will be 1 over 8. Question number 4, the volume of the opposite figure here, we can count how many cube we have here. Count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 cube here, then the volume will be 7 cube. Choose letter C, 7 cube. We can count the number of cube. Question number 5, 5 and third, subtract or plus 2 and 2 over 3. We can find the result because we have the same denominator 3. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 plus 7 equals 8. Then the result will be 8. Question number 6. The triangle of side lengths is 7, 3, 7. We called it isosceles triangle because we have 7 centimeter and 7 centimeter equivalent and the base 3 centimeter. Then we must choose letter A. We called it isosceles triangle. We have two sides are equal lengths. Question number 7. 2 over 5 product by reciprocal. 5 over 2, it will be 1. Write 5 over 2 here. Choose letter D. Question number 2. Complete the following. The fraction represents shaded part here. We have 5 over 10 plus 5 over 10, it will be 1. 5 over 10 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10, it will be 1. Then the result will be 10. And we have here the shaded part. The shaded part, I will put x here to reverse to shaded part. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 over 10 plus x equals 1. Then the value of x will be the difference between two numbers. 1 subtract by 7 over 10. It will be 3 over 10. Okay, then we must write 3 over 10 in this space. The shaded part. The fraction represents shaded part. Question number 2. Fifths of 10 squares, it will be 1 over 5 product by 10. It will be 10 squares, 2 squares. Okay, fifths of, it's meaning fifths product by 10, it will be 2, right? 2. Question number 3. In the equation r subtract by 1 and 2 over 7 equal 5 and 1 over 7, we can find the value of r. R here reverse to the median. To find the result of median, you must add the result to the subtrahend. We must add them. 5 and 1 over 7 plus 1 and 2 over 7. Then 5 plus 1 equals 6 and 2 plus 1 equals 3. Then the result will be 6 and 3 over 7. The value of r. Question number 4. The list common multiples of, we have two numbers 7 over 15 and 3 over 10. You want to find the least common multiples for the denominator of two fractions is what? We know 15 can be divided by 10, but 30, 15 plus 15 equals 30, can be divided by 10 and itself. Then the least common multiples of two denominator, it will be 30. Write 30 here. Next example, question number 5. The order pair 4 and 7, x coordinate here is 4. 4 is the x coordinate and y coordinate with 7. Then the result will be 4. Write 4 in the space. Question number 6. The angle of measure less than 90 degrees, we called it an accurate angle. an acute angle less than 90 degree, we called it an acute angle. Question number 7. 3 divided by what equal 6? We know 3 product by 2 equals 6. Then we must convert from multiplication division. Write reciprocal of 2, it will be 1 over 2. Then the result will be 1 over 2. Write 1 over 2 in the space. Question 8. The triangle with equal side lengths, we called it equilateral triangle. We called it equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. We solve last questions here like it, isosceles and equilateral and isosceles. Okay, so the result will be an equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle. But this example we have 7 and 7 and 3, we called it isosceles triangle. Okay, it's similar questions, but he asked here the type of this triangle if sides are equal. If the triangle with equal sides, we called it an equilateral triangle. Okay, next example shows the correct answer. Number 1, 7.5 subtract by 5 and third, we can find the least common multiplication between two numbers equal 6, because 3 and 2 we called it relatively prime numbers. Then 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 1 equals 3, 2 times 1 equals 2, the difference between them 3 minus 2 equals 1, then the result will be 7 and 1 over 6. Okay, it's the result, 7 and 1 over 6. But 7 minus 5 equal 2, sorry, 7 minus 5 equal 2, the result will be 2 and 1 over 6. Choose letter C again. 2 times 3 equals 6, 1 times 3 equals 3, 2 times 3 equals 6, 1 times 2 equals 2, 7 minus 5 equals 2, and 3 minus 2 equals 1, write 6 in numerator. Question number 2. The volume of the opposite figure, length times width times height, write 5 times 3 times 4. 5 times 3 times 4 equals 12, then the result will be 60 cubic centimeter. Next question. The figure here is called straight line. We have here a straight line. Choose letter C. We called it straight line. Number 4. 4 product by 2 over 5. 4 times 2 equals 8. The result will be 8 over 5. And then you can convert this number from improper to mixed number. 8 divided by 5 equals 1 and the remainder 3. Okay. It's 3, not 4 again. Question number 4. 3 times 2 over 5. 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 over 5. Write 5 in the numerator, and 6 divided by 5 equals 1 and the remainder 1. Next example, number 5. A equilateral which has 4 right angles, we call it rectangle. Quadral has 4 right angles, we call it rectangle. Quadral, its meaning rectangle, because quadral has 4 sides. Its meaning the polygon has 4 sides, and the measure of 4 angles here will be 90 degrees. We call it rectangle. Choose letter C. Question number 6. Comparing between product by 7 over 4 and 4 over 7 and 7 over 4. 4 over 7 product by reciprocal, it will be 1. And we have 7 over 4, it will be 1 and 3 over 4. Then 1 less than 3 over 4. Okay, less than. Question number 7. The circular degree that matches the friction sector shaded part here, it will be 90 degrees. We have the force of the circle. This part, the force, it will be 90 degrees. Next example, question number 4. Use the number line to answer the question. What is the value of B and how far is point C from point E? Okay, you want to find the order here about B, you can count. Here we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We haven't here a decimal, okay? Then A here, and we have B. The value of B will be 5, and C will be 8. Okay, the value of B, it will be 5, and the distance, you want to find how far the point C from A. We can write 8 subtract by 2 equals 6. Then question number 1, the result, letter A will be 5, and letter B, the result will be 6. 6 units, okay? Write 6 units. 6 units. Question number 2, Omar 8/4 of the B, and Riham 8/5 of the same B. What is the total of what Omar and Riham eat? We can write 4th plus 5th, write 20 here. List common multiplication between two denominator equal 20, because 5 and 4 we call that relatively prime numbers. 5 times 1 equal 5, 4 times 1 equal 4, and then write 20 in numerator. 5 plus 4 equal 9. The result will be 9/20. Next, question number 3. There are 5 kilograms of flour. A worker divides the flour into package of 4 kilograms. How many packages will be made? We can write the total amount, 5 kilograms, divided by the weight of each package. Okay, he divided the flour into package of 4 kilograms. Each one contains of 4 kilograms. Then the number of package, it will be 5 product by reciprocal force, it will be 4. 4 times 5 equal 20. Then the number of package, it will be 20 package. 20 packages. Question number 4, find the volume of the opposite cuboid. We know the volume equal piece area product by height. Piece area here was 30 square centimeter and the height 4. The result will be 120 cubic centimeter. Okay, last question here. Okay, it's the last question.